How not to lose money. The stock market is a complex place to invest and make money. Every investor should be very careful before making an investment decision in the stock market. Let us understand what an investor should not do to lose money. 1. Do not deal with unregistered intermediaries. Investors should always deal with SEBI-registered brokers or intermediaries. Before registering with any broker, it is advisable to check with SEBI or the exchange if the brokers or intermediary is registered with them. It is important to carry out a due diligence process before opening your account. Registered brokers and intermediaries will give you the best guidance that you need. 2. Be aware of not getting into such schemes where people claim to make unrealistic returns. 3. Do not trust any such things as hot tips or any other information which are not verified. The intentions of such claims are just to cheat you, and more often investors lose money on such deals. 4. There are a lot of groups on social media platforms, including WhatsApp or even SMS, where a lot of tips get circulated. This information is not correct, and as a prudent investor, one should stay away from such information. 5. Do not fall prey to promises of unrealistic returns. 6. Investors have to keep learning, and there are a lot of courses and reading material on the SEBI website. Investors should keep themselves updated about what the trends are and what are the realistic returns that one can expect. This way, the investors are more aware of unrealistic returns. 7. Do not get carried away by luring investments, if any. 8. Don't be led by market rumors or get into shady transactions. Don't invest on the basis of hearsay and rumors. Verify before investment. 9. Don't be influenced into buying into fundamentally unsound companies, that is penny stocks, based on sudden spurts in trading volumes or prices or non-authentic favorable-looking articles or stories. 10. Do not invest in a scheme just because somebody is offering you